Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick to get a transcription from any YouTube Shorts video. This is super useful if you want to copy text or follow along with the content. So here's the problem. YouTube Shorts don't have a built-in option to show the transcript, but don't worry, there's a simple fix. First, open the Shorts video in your browser. Now, look at the URL link. You'll see the word Shorts in the link. All you need to do is replace the Shorts with video and press enter. The video will now open in the regular YouTube format. Once you're in this view, scroll down, click the three dots, and select Show Transcript. If timestamps appear, you can remove them by clicking the three dots in the transcript window and selecting Toggle Timestamps. Now, just highlight the text, copy it, and paste it into any document you like. And that's it. It's a quick trick that can save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.